An orange grove?
No, a Burger King. You can still see some of the architecture.
Thank you for this. I really do feel better already.
You know what? She loves architecture. You know what you should do? You should take a walk down 5th to the St. Patrick's Cathedral. And there's this great little pastry shop that she loves.
Jeez.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word architecture. It means the profession of designing buildings, open areas, communities, and other artificial constructions and environments, usually with some regard to aesthetic effect. Architecture often includes design or selection of furnishings and decorations, supervision of construction work, and the examination, restoration, or remodeling of existing buildings. Also means the character or style of building, the architecture of Paris, Romanesque architecture. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce architecture, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to R. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how architecture is used in real life.
Still see some of the architecture.
Thank you.
You know what? She loves architecture. You know what you should do? You should
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.